What's up guys, in this video I will guide you on two methods to download and install apps on your laptop and PC. So if one method does not work out for you, then you want to go ahead and try the second method. And the process is quite simple for both methods. All you just have to do is to head over to your laptop or your PC now. So on your laptop or PC, the first method to download and install apps is to basically use the Microsoft Store. For this, you want to basically just go over to the search bar at the bottom of your Windows laptop or PC. And then you just want to go ahead and search for Store. This is actually going to show you the Microsoft Store from over here. You want to just open it up directly from here. Now, once the store loads, at the left-hand side, you can literally see we have the apps section and the game section. And then at the top, we have a search bar. So you want to search for the app you want to download and install into your laptop or PC. In this case, I'll just search for the Opera Mini browser. Once I search for the name of the app and then just click on the enter button. And from the search results, you can literally see the Opera Mini browser. So you just want to select it from the Microsoft Store and then just proceed to click on the install button. And automatically, this is just going to take a couple of minutes depending on the size of the app you want to download and install into your laptop or PC. And once it is done downloading and installing, you should be able to find it on the windows of your laptop or PC. Or you can just come over to the search bar and then search for the app. It has now been downloaded and installed. So I can now open it up from here or even pin it to the taskbar. Now for the second method, if you cannot find the app you want to download and install from your Microsoft Store, take for instance, we want to download and install an app like the Google Chrome browser. If you search for Chrome, you will not be able to find the Google Chrome browser from the Microsoft Store. As you can see, it is literally not available over here. So to download apps that are not on the Microsoft Store on your laptop or PC, you want to first of all head over to the settings of your laptop or PC, whether it's a Windows 10 or a Windows 11's laptop. Go over to settings from over here, and then from settings you want to go over to the apps section, and from the app settings at the top you should be able to find install apps only from the Microsoft Store option at the top over here. If you're using a Windows 11, head over to the advanced settings from the app settings and you should be able to see this option that allows you to decide where you want apps to be installed from on your laptop or PC. So you want to select this and make sure you set it to anywhere. And once this is done, you should now be able to download and install apps from official developers' websites into your laptop or PC. So for the Google Chrome browser, you can simply just head over to the official Google Chrome browser download page and just download the Google Chrome browser directly from over here on your laptop or PC. Now, those are basically the two ways to download and install apps on your laptop or PC. If you find this video useful, please make sure you smash that like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel.